Hi everyone, welcome back to the course sheet. This is Siddhant, and in this video we will be trying to understand what is actually 2D arrays and how do we declare two-dimensional arrays, how do we accept the values inside the two-dimensional array, and how is it different, though it is not entirely different, though how it is slightly different from a single dimensional array. So that is something that we will be getting in this video, and if we get a chance we will also start off with the problems regarding two-dimensional videos as two-dimensional arrays topic as well. So let us get started as usual, and before that let us try to understand a bit about Newton School as well, जिनके साथ ये वीडियो कोलैबोरेशन में बनी है. So Newton School is an Edtech platform which guarantees you 100% placement. They are doing it in tie-up with a number of really great companies that can be found out on their platform, that is newtonschool.co. And they are charging a 0 rupees fee until and unless you get entirely placed. That is, you will be liable to pay the fee for the entire course that they are giving only after you get placed with a minimum package of 5 lakh per annum or even greater. So Newton School is giving away a number of really great courses ranging from full stack development courses to courses designed for women and working professionals. All you have to do is get job ready after getting these courses done. In the recent times, Newton School has also started the Launchpad program. Under the Launchpad program, Newton School is giving away all its number of courses for free. So if you are an individual who wants to learn a programming language or a particular tech stack, you can now learn it from the best instructors entirely for free. And you can also earn a course completion certificate after completing the course as well. And in the meantime, if you feel like doing any coding related job, you can always go to the playground section of Newton School and you can create your own like algorithmic playground and start off. So that was it about Newton School. Now let us go back to the video. तो न्यूटन आज हमारी जो वीडियो है उसमें हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं टू डायमेंशनल एरेज एंड हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट. टू dimensional arrays. ठीक है, तो what did we do in case of single dimensional array? So single dimensional array was like this, right? And the array of something equals to brace, the elements are there like a, e, I, o, u. This was the case, okay, and so on and so forth. ऐसे declare करते थे, or we used to accept the number of elements and then we used to go about declaring the elements, right? So now what do we do in case of double dimensional arrays is, suppose there are m number of rows and n number of columns. First of all, what do we mean when we say two-dimensional arrays? We know that two-dimensional arrays means a matrix, that is कुछ ऐसा pattern बनना है. समझ में आई बात? Something like this. So this is what gets created when we are talking about two-dimensional arrays. Now these are known as rows, left to right horizontal things, these are called rows, and the vertical things top to bottom are called columns. Understood? So suppose there are m rows and n number of columns. Number of rows are m, number of columns are n. Okay, so what we will be doing is int array of rows and columns. Okay, int array of rows and columns. Suppose value of m is 5, int n is also 5. It is a 5 cross 5 matrix. Suppose it is like that. So 5 cross 5 matrix is something like this. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5, yeah, so 3 4 5. So this is a 5 cross 5 matrix. So if this is like this, so अगला चीज होगा कि हम इसमें डिक्लेयर करें for int row equals 0 row less than 5, row plus plus, for int column equals to 0, column less than 5, column plus plus. And then what we will be doing is cin a of row and column. Alright, we are done after this. तो इससे क्या होगा, इससे हमारा इनपुट हो जाएगा, एंड देन व्हेन वी आर अबाउट टू do all the operations that are related to it, and after that we are about to print the output, then the output will be in the form of for int row equals 0, row less than 5, row plus plus. So as usual, that you use something that you used to do in case of single dimensional array. In order to print the elements, you have to again traverse through the entire array, right? So this is something that we will be doing here as well, and after that you can just simply print out the array, which is a of row and column. So let us see if this works out or not, and if it does, then we will proceed forward. All right. So this is it. This is how we accept the elements, and this is what a two-dimensional array is all about. So let us find out a two-dimensional array. Two-dimensional array. Creation and insertion. So in creation and insertion, what we will be doing is we will be simply creating an array, hash include iostream, using namespace, and using namespace std. And after that, what we will be doing is we will take an array as input. Suppose there are rows and columns. Okay. Yeah, so this is actually what the thing was, कि जो ये rows and columns है ना, तो ये rows and columns हम finally print करने वाले हैं. So actually ये rows and columns जो होते हैं, first वाली जो index होती है वो row वाली होती है, and second वाली जो index होती है वो column वाली होती है, ठीक है? So if there are m rows and n columns, it means that first what we have to do is we have to declare it like int m equals to 5, n equals to 5 as well, int a of m n. Okay, and after that when we are accepting these elements, int I equals 0, I less than m, I plus plus, for int j equals 0, j less than n, j plus plus, and cin a of I j. That is it. And after that again हमें ऐसे ही करना होगा. C out a of ij, and then we are done. We are absolutely done of that. And what happens after this is this is what we will be doing. अभी क्यों हो रहा है वो मैं बताता हूँ. Like custom input, if we take it, till 5 elements, right? So 5 into 5 will be 25 elements. So if we take 1 to 25 as well, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 33 43 54 66 33. So if these are the elements, then what is the output? There is an error. Yeah, the error is that we have not done the closing bracket here. Expected this before this, and there is something that we have not done here as well. So now let us see what is the output. Okay. सी आउट में आउटर ब्रैकेट्स नहीं होते, सी आउट वैसे होता है. So now let us see what is the output. So this is a bit congested because of the digits, but if we take single input digits like these, after 9 अगर हम देखें तो हमने डबल डिजिट्स लेने शुरू कर दिए हैं. After 9 we again start taking like 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 7 6, or we have taken 25 elements, right? So this is it. So if we take the single digit elements, then we can see that the array is perfectly 5 cross 5. तो डबल डिजिट्स थे तो थोड़ा कंजस्टेड लग रहा था, बट अब सिंगल डिजिट्स लिए हैं तो यू कैन नाउ क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट इज अ 5 cross 5 matrix. So this is the only difference which lies between a double dimensional and a single dimensional array. Or yeah, this is how you go about accepting the elements and printing the elements for the same. So this is it for the double dimensional array or a multi-dimensional array. And yeah, so in the next video we will try to understand how to work for a wave, how to print a wave pattern in an array. So it is a problem which is related to double dimensional array, 2D array, and we will be doing it as well. So up until then, do take care, and do like, share and subscribe this video. And if you like the explanation, do share it with your friends as well. If you have any problems, do mention it in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to solve it. So up until then, don't stop coding and do take care of yourself. Bye bye.